All right, buddy.
Alrighty.
So what we are going to be doing here today is we got a couple things. We're
Uh-huh.
going to be building a hovercraft. Just
How?
with these items.
How?
Okay.
The question is how?
So do you know what a
How?
hovercraft does?
No.
Do you know how it works?
No, I don't think so.
So what it does, it takes air, pushes it down, so that way it creates an air pocket underneath whatever object that it is.
Oh, actually, kind of like in the future, they think actually these things will kind of like hover, like actual plane.
So-
Sometimes hover.
Well, they have hovercrafts right now, so they usually use those out in like areas with very low water. You can't get a boat in there, but if you have something that floats right on top of the water, you can get in those shallow areas. So, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be making our own small one here.
Okay.
So look at this. Does that move pretty easy, or does that stop?
That isn't very soft. Like it isn't very smooth to order it to like do like that.
Exactly. All right. So the first thing that we have here, we have a top. This top, you can either open it or close it. Open or close.
Okay.
So the first thing that we need to do is we need to make a nice seal around here.
And that's what the hot.
And that's why we're using the CDs, because we want all the air to come out of here. Okay?
And that's what the hot glue gun is for.
Yep.
And we also need like extra gun up to help.
Yep. You want to try to get the best seal that you can.
Almost done.
All right.
Ready, that's good.
There we go. And
Ready?
we're going to go around the edge. It's like welding with glue.
With hot glue and like hot glue is very hot.
Yeah, you don't want this on your fingers.
You definitely don't want it on your fingers.
So you keep on spinning it until you get that nice whole sealed area all around it. All right.
Ready.
So now we're going to let this dry a little bit, okay?
Okay.
So, and then I'm going to unplug this because we should not need this anymore.
We do not need the hot glue gun right now.
Yep, so unplug it for safety.
Unplug it for safety. Then we just let it dry.
Yep, so in the meantime, we're going to try a couple things. Okay, so we're going to try a couple different balloons. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill these up with air, and then afterwards we're going to put them on here.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So, all right. So our hot glue is now dried. We are ready to fill up the balloons. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. And what you do is you take the balloon, you want this down so that way the air doesn't escape out the bottom until we're ready. And try to put that as far down as what you can. All right, so it's holding. Now this top is from actually a wood glue. You can use one from a water bottle, a sports drink, anything like that.
Okay.
And then once we're ready, we open this up. Okay, are you ready?
Whoa.
Pretty cool, huh?
It's like kind of like actual air hockey.
Yep.
Whee!
And then obviously once the balloon starts losing some of the air, then it's going to start slowing down, but that's why we cleaned off the table, so that way it kind of does its own thing.
Okay.
Kind of fun, huh?
Whee! Whee!
But you see how before it would stop, where now it just keeps on going and going and going until we're out of air. All right, should we keep on doing some more? Just pull up.
Whee!
And it does it again.
Whee! Whee!
So what the balloon is doing is the balloon is pushing the air down and it's distributing the air equally, or trying to, throughout the bottom of the CD. So that's what's making it glide. Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You're still trying to blow up your balloon? Good, because your balloon is the next one. Oh, you just sucked in a bunch of air.
That's good.
It's getting there. But that's the big balloon. So that's the grand finale of the balloons.
We're accidentally breathing it in instead of blowing out. And now he's laughing. Sorry.
All right, so Adam is done with his balloon.
Look how big it is.
Look at this. It's bigger than my head.
It's bigger than any head.
Yep.
And I did it all by myself.
Good job, buddy.
And I'm happy with it.
Okay, so we verified no leaks, right?
No leaks. Hold on. Nope, no leaks.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
So this was from all your hard work blowing up that balloon. We'll see how long this one goes. Oh, almost went off the table.
They would have ruined it.
Yep, when they fold over like that, they don't get the amount of airflow like normally, but it's still working pretty good. But kind of a fun little video, little experiment.
Also, we will put this on this will be the actual new video.
It's been a while since we've done one, so
It's been like about 1 or 2 months since I last did one.
But with a little bit of parent help, this is something that you could easily do. Now, I would not recommend taking your DVDs that you have sitting around the house. This was just an old CDR that we had. Well, I think we're out. So, do not take your DVDs, do not take your Blu-rays, and try to do this, because your parents would not be happy.
And that's the end for today.